Do you want to know how you can play Lotto or lottery on 1xBet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube, it's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can play Lotto or lottery on 1xBet. Go ahead and open 1xBet.com on any of your browser and log into your account. The next step is to click on More or just hover around More, and you can see under Lotteries there is something called Lotto. Go ahead and click on Lotto, and then you will be headed to the official lottery page or Lotto page of 1xBet. As you can see that some of the lotteries or Lotto games are available here, so you can check them. And you can see that you can currently play all of these. So let's go ahead and choose for this one, the Powerball. And you can see that you can buy a number of tickets from over here. So you can select numbers of use autofill. So go ahead and select some numbers over here. So after you selected the numbers, you can see that you can buy some number of tickets. And you can see that if you click on plus, you have added this amount of money over here. You can click buy, and if you have sufficient amount, you can buy the money or buy the tickets and send the money to 1xBet, and you can start playing the Lotto game. So guys, this is how you bet or play Lotto on 1xBet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.